Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start a new app project on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So start by navigating to your account on Base44. Then here in the home section, click into this button in the top left and choose your workspace. And then navigate to all apps. Here in the top right, click into create new app. And then guys, what you want to do is give the AI, provided with a description of the app you would like it to create for you. Now, you can do this, of course, guys, by, for example, let me show you an example. So I gave the artificial intelligence the command to create a task like this, that is a task management app or task planning app, and that prompt can be simple, as you can see. And from that on, guys, so if you enter your prompt here, press enter, you'll be redirected to the app builder here. And from there you can provide the artificial intelligence, as you can see, with more instructions and prompts to add changes to the app project, for example, or to start all over. And you can also edit and revert your instructions. And then you will see the confirmation here, the reply from the artificial intelligence. And it will then start editing and creating your app project. Like, I don't know, that's, for example, if you navigate to the preview of that task management app, it may look like this, for example, right? So it depends on the type of app you ask your artificial intelligence to create for you. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.